Alright guys, today's Trek into DIY Tech. I'm going to show you something, well, I'm going to give you a tour of the boss's anniversary present. So yeah, it's our anniversary, so it's right behind me. I'm going to flip us around here so I can show you what I did. Alright, so I don't know if you guys have been following on the videos. Hurricane Ian took all of this section of fence. So all that section of fence is new, except for this. So this was a chain link, and you can see in the corner here where the chain link used to connect and go across. And so I took all of that wood from the old fence, which it was painted brown. If I have any pictures, I'll show you that. And I just cut them to size. I'll show you around the back what I did. But this here is actually a metal pole from the chain link, and I just wrapped it with, so I took some, you can see there, I ripped on the table saw, I ripped some of the fence pickets, and I created a box, and I slid it over the, let me see if this is still loose. Yep, it's still loose. All right, so you can see in there, kind of, the original pipe from the fence is still in there. But anyway, that's how I took care of that, because this used to be a chain link all the way across. So I just put some posts in there, and to get the, to use all the material, I actually had to make that 42 inches in some places in order to get length of material to fit in there. And this is another metal fence post inside there, and I'm gonna stain that eventually to match these weathered ones. So they'll all kind of have that weathered look to them. But I tried to use as much reclaimed material as possible. So all of that is inside there. The frame of the gate is new material, pressure treated stuff, but all the rest of this was reclaimed from the fence that Ian blew down. And I'll show you how I put that in. I just screwed these guys in flush with the back of the posts, and then I nailed, I used some 4D 1.5 nails to nail these in from the front, and I just so I just spaced it out about a 1/2 inch on each of those, and so since Ian had opened up all this space, it had blown this whole fence out, right? So here you go. This was the original fence, and as Jimmy DiResta says, I like to see things in their second life. So that was the original life of that material. It was that fence, and you can see that whole corner is destroyed. And now you can see here, this is the original chain link fence that we took down, and the new fence goes up there. The boss has been wanting the retreat back for a while, so I said, I didn't film the whole build process, because obviously she would have figured out from me talking that this was going to be, this was going to be what it was. But anyway, this was a short one. Just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to lately, and hey, if you have any questions on it, leave it down in the comments. And if you want any dimensions or a sketch of how the thing goes together, let me know, and I'll put that on there. And as always, I hope you got something out of this. If you like it, subscribe, share, so we can keep these videos going, and we'll see you in the next video.